Welcome back to the Wolverine News Network. This is Steve Thompson, your correspondent. We are on a snowy Avalanche Lake. Just missed the perfect clear ice by about an hour and a half, I imagine. But Will and I are having a good time. Absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Anything else you want to say to the people out there, Will?
You should be up here.
Should be up here.
What are you doing? What are you doing at home?
What are you doing at home?
Get off that computer.
Hey, how can they watch this video if they're not on their computer or their phone?
That's for tonight.
That's for tonight. Okay, well, thanks for joining us. We are having a good time here in Glacier National Park. Gulo gulo.